Okay, so first of all we are going to see about this video surveillance, and then we are going to install a library, and then we need to do some kind of configurations, and then we are going to see the practical session. On that we are going to deploy the project called video surveillance system using web server. So with the help of the IP address and then certain configuration, we can able to stream, or we can able to get the feed of the camera from your mobile phone or from any other system which is connected to the same network. And finally, of course, we are going to have the discussion and then tech news. So prerequisite for the session only other than USB camera. So this is your option. So you can stream any cameras like USB camera or by camera, anything. Okay. So first of all, while talking about the surveillance system, it is really it is a kind of very important kind of security system. Nowadays we are seeing a lot of traffic like cameras which is used for surveillance, and even though Amazon's concept also we have seen on previous sessions, right? So other than that, video surveillance system can also be developed with the help of the artificial intelligence on the future technology. Definitely it also can be done for AI participants. AI masterclass participants may know about it. So here we are going to see simple web page services where we are going to stream the camera feed. Okay, so first of all we need to do some kind of library and then configurations. So I have attached this configuration as a notepad in the attachment section. Okay, you can please download it. So this is the attachment section, so which has a video stream.txt. So line by line, same as like as I given here, you just want to do it. So before doing this configuration, you just want to connect the USB camera. So I have connected the USB camera with the Raspberry Pi, and I just placed it in the laptop here. Okay, you just copy the line. So this is for installing a motion. Okay, go to the Raspberry Pi and go to the terminal and use Ctrl Shift V. Okay, so Ctrl V can't be done, so you can press Ctrl Shift V. Okay, so that's it, and Y and then enter. So if it is showing abort, so again run it, and like instead of small y, you just put uppercase Y. Okay, so you just want to line you just want to run one by one. So before that, if you want to need to upgrade your OS or something like that, you can run sudo apt-get 8. Okay, so this is the best practice to work on the Raspberry Pi, because if you are using any old operating system, definitely you can able to use these kind of update packages, so that you can able to install a certain package. Okay, now it starts installing, unpacking, processing triggers. It show successfully installed the motion. Okay, so from the motion library we need to do some kind of camera configurations, like how much frame rate and how much height and then width. So each and everything configuration we need to be done inside that motion file. So let me do. So before that we need to complete this installation. Library is installed now. Okay, so and then we'll check the USB, like LS USB, so which will list what are all the USB device which is connected here. Okay, so Logitech webcam C270, this is the camera which I have connected. Okay, you can go for any normal USB web camera. Okay, so and then next command. So this will be helpful, like this is the kind of code file or command file where you are going to edit this to set the configurations like height and then width and then frame rate and those things. Okay, so you just put or you just paste it in the terminal here. So it will open a configuration like motion configuration file like this. So here you need to edit the certain kind of variables so that it will be configured. So first of all, here usually in the document you use Ctrl F to find. So here in this nano window you can use a Ctrl W to find to search for a certain word. Okay, so daemon is here. So we just want to change daemon into on. Okay, so here daemon is in off condition, so you just want to change into on. Okay, and then second one is width and then height. So we just scroll down, so where the width and height is here. Okay, so if it is not find, you just press Ctrl W and you just type width and then enter. Okay, so width is located. So what is the width we need to set? We need to set, that's based on your requirement. So here we are going to set into 640 and then 480. Okay, so just erase it, 640 and then 480. Okay, so and then third parameter is frame rate. So frame rate you can put from 1000 to 1500, any values. Okay, so here frame rate is 2, so I'm changing into 1250. Okay, so that's frame rate. And then stream port. Okay, so stream port we need to search. For the control W, stream port. Okay, so on that stream port 8081, it is right only. And then stream quality. So for that stream quality we should be it should be changed into 100. Okay, so instead of 50 we are going to change it to 100. Okay, and then stream localhost to be off. Okay, so so we'll check for stream localhost. Stream localhost. Okay, so stream localhost, we should turn that option into be off condition. So so we'll change that into off. And then web control localhost. Okay, so again control W, web control. Okay, so when web control localhost, so it should also be in the off condition. So off we changed, and the quality to be 100. Again control W. It is in 75, so we'll change that into 100. Okay, so and then post capture. So again control W. Post capture. So here there is a pre capture and then post capture. So we'll change post capture from 0 to 5. Okay, so that's it. So again to terminate or to end that editing and all, you just press Ctrl X and then it will ask for yes or no, and that time you just press Y and then enter. Okay, so if you want to re-verify, you just press up arrow and you just re-verify whether each and every values are changed or not. Okay, so that's it, and Ctrl X to exit. Okay, so that's it. Up to here we just set the configurations. Okay, so here first of all here we have this nano editor. First of all, you just want to cross verify it. Okay, so and then second command, so we need to edit the motion file. So for that you just press like this, and then it will ask for start motion daemon is equal to no. So you just change this option to yes. Okay, and then Ctrl X again and Y for yes and then enter. Okay, so that's it. And then sudo service motion restart. So this will enable your camera and it will be linked to the motion file. So and then enter, and after that sudo motion enter. Okay, so that's it. So up to now we just enabled the motion file and those things. So now it is ready to stream the camera feed. Actually already camera is interfaced with the Raspberry Pi. So before doing this configuration, you just want to plug in the camera. Okay, so that's it up to here. So now you just note down the IP address. What is the IP address? That is 192.168.1.19. Okay, so you just want to note down the IP address, and then after that colon and 8081. Okay, so instead in the Raspberry Pi we can run it in my laptop, Windows laptop. Okay, so what is the IP address? That is 192.168.1.19. Okay, so 1.19 colon 8081. Okay, so now it starts feeding like it is a camera feed that is based on the like Raspberry Pi's computational power. It is little bit slow because it is wirelessly transmitting now. So that's the speed or like kind of frame rate. So now it is getting kind of real-time feed from the camera to the kind of like in your laptop or in your mobile phone even. So you just want to open the browser and you just want to put the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, and after that suffix you just put colon and then 8081. So it will start the feed like in the web server. Okay, so I hope you got this. And if you want to stop the service, because if you are going to use any other project or something like that, you just want to press like sudo space server space motion and then stop. Okay, so if you did that, camera will be disabled, or else you will face the error like camera will be already in use or camera can't be found in certain parameters or something like that. So whenever you just finished your service or you just finished your option, you just go for the option called sudo service motion stop. Okay, so these every command which is given in this notepad, okay, just please check it out, this notepad which is given in the attachment.